All right, Worth It Voyages family, we're doing it again.
After the amazing response we had with our Allure of the Seas giveaway,
We're bringing the challenge back, but this time, we're taking it to Utopia of the Seas.
and yes, someone aboard is going to win a Utopia of the Seas model ship.
But there's a catch.
You have to find us.
We'll be sailing on Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Seas from June 8th through June 12th, 2026. And while we're on board, we're going to release a special giveaway challenge video.
That video will reveal a specific location somewhere on the ship.
It could be somewhere obvious,
It could be somewhere unexpected.
but once that video drops, the hunt begins. Here's how it's gonna work.
While we're aboard Utopia of the Seas, we'll post a video right here on the Worth It Voyages YouTube channel.
In that video, we'll reveal the meeting location and the time the giveaway starts.
To win, you'll need to watch the video, figure out the location, comment that location on the video, and then come find us at the spot.
The first person to meet us there, show us their comment, show us they're part of the Worth It Voyages family, and give us the secret phrase from the video.
Wins the Utopia of the Seas model ship.
Now, we want this to be fun, but we also want it to be safe.
So no running, no pushing, no blocking walkways, and of course, everyone must always follow the ship rules and crew instructions.
This is meant to be a fun cruise memory, not a race through the ship.
We'll give clear instructions in the giveaway video, including the exact time the meetup begins.
We love doing these giveaways because it gives us a chance to meet some of you in person.
And honestly, that was one of the coolest parts of doing this on Allure of the Seas.
So if you're going to be on Utopia of the Seas with us from June 8th through June 12th,
You definitely want to be watching the channel during the cruise.
because we're only posting the location once,
And once someone finds us,
that model ship is gone. Now, before we board, we want to hear from some of you.
where do you think we should reveal the clue from?
Should it be somewhere like Central Park?
The boardwalk?
Or how about the Royal Promenade?
Or should we pick somewhere totally unexpected?
Drop your guess in the comments right now.
And if you're sailing with us on Utopia, let us know that too.
Make sure you're subscribed to Worth It Voyages,
Turn on all notifications.
because when that giveaway video drops on board, you don't want to miss it.
The first person who follows the instruction and finds us at the location
Wins the Utopia of the Seas ship model. We're excited for this cruise. We're excited to explore Utopia of the Seas.
and we're really excited to meet one of you on board.
So get ready.
The Utopia hunt is coming.
Somewhere on Utopia of the Seas, this ship model is going to a new home.
The question is, will it be yours?